In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or change your phone number on Shopify quickly and easily. Keeping your contact information updated is important for account security and store management. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify account and head over to your store dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click on your store name. A drop-down menu will appear and from there, select Manage Account. Inside the Account Settings page, locate the phone number section where your current number is displayed. Next, click on Update beside your phone number. Before entering your new number, make sure to choose the correct country code from the drop-down menu. This helps ensure your number works properly for verification and notifications. Now type in your new phone number carefully and double check that all digits are correct. Once everything looks good, click Update again to save your changes. Shopify may send a verification code to confirm the new number, so follow the prompts if required. And that's it. Your Shopify phone number has now been successfully updated. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your store.